Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Katie. I am getting ready to clean our garage and our front porch, the Halloween stuff out of there. So this is Clean With Me Halloween Part 2. Like I said, I'm gonna go out to the front porch and I'm gonna bring all that stuff into the garage so I can pile it up kind of like I did in the kitchen. In my last video with the Halloween stuff, it just is easier. Right here is the door, and right down here is our basement, so it kind of makes it easier just to bring it all in and then take it to the basement. Some of our stuff actually goes in the attic, so Justin's going to come out here and help me get some of that stuff in the attic because we don't have the like stairs to pull down. He's got to climb up on the refrigerator and climb up there and get that. So stay tuned. We're going to clean up this garage so I can get my car in it again.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
All right, we've got over here, he's got the totes labeled. I don't know if you can see them or not, but they're labeled. I've got to find the one that's got outdoor lights and holiday cords. We decided we were going to stick everything. I need to use the Cricut and make little labels for these, but I am going to actually start keeping all of our holiday specific cords and stuff in a container so we aren't digging around for them. We spent hours every season, whether it's Christmas or Halloween, digging for cords. So we have one dedicated place for cords now.
like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you. history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change.
So now I close the garage doors and the animals don't get out, but I'm gonna start taking stuff that I can carry down to the basement, and then I'm gonna get Justin to come out here and help me get stuff up in the attic.
Why? I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
Okay, now that I'm us, we have everything in the attic, everything downstairs, so I wiped off the counter already over on the side and kind of wiped off the totes over here. And now I'm going to actually wipe off the top of the fridge, and then I'm going to sweep and mop the garage floor. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for that.
Even though it makes no sense, sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you wanna know me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to see more videos like this. If there's anything that you want to know, let me know down in the comments below. I will link down in the description box of all the products that I used in this video. Thanks, guys.
'Cause I'm right under